Start. Ah, now there is a voice message saying that web meeting is being recorded. Now I have to draw a circle very fast. Then only it takes the correct shape. Ah, good. This is better circle, and therefore maybe I will erase the remaining ones little later. Let me ask you the problem first. I have an equilateral triangle in a circle. ABC, and on minor arc BC we have any point P. Okay, prove that PB plus PC is equal to P. So if you add these distances, this plus this, you end up getting this distance. That is what is the problem. I am aware few of you must be aware of the solution. So they write the proper solution and show it to me. I will look at couple of words in that solution and say yes or no. I want you to do this with the theorems that you have proved in the class in 8th standard, not with some results which you already know without proof, right? And therefore it is important. Now it is important that whether I can check or not, you should write complete correct proof, which will give you full marks. Long answer type question. Okay, so after giving the hint, I will wait for some time so that you complete the proof. So whenever you have addition of two segments, PB plus PC, it would have been good if P was here, B was here, and C was here. Then PB plus PC, we can directly say that it is equal to either BC. When they are collinear segments, it is easy to add. If they are like this, how do you add? Difficult. Therefore, what we should do is, we should construct a segment by which you should be able to add the segments. Whenever you have segment summation, it is like broken segment. You make it straight. That is what is the construction. You make it straight so that you will be able to measure its length very quickly. That is the additional construction you are required to do. Understand what I am trying to say? Broken means it is broken in two parts like this, and you want to measure the total length. So measuring total length is going to be easier if they are straight. That is the construction. So you do the construction and then use your congruency, use angle chasing to show two congruent triangles so that the new length that you have created is going to be equal to PA. That is the hint. I mean, almost I have told you the solution. Yes.
Sir, but I did the same.
I could not see your equilateral angle in the diagram.
Sir, triangle BPC dash is equilateral triangle, the small one.
But then you have not joined BC dash. That is why it is not visible. Okay. What I would prefer to do is maybe to take a point here and let that point K be such that PK is equal to PB. PK is equal to PB. Join BK. Okay. This is the triangle under consideration. So if PB is equal to PK, then I can say PC is equal to PA minus PB, which is equal to PA minus pk, which is equal to ak. So it is enough to show. That is to prove that. That is to prove that pc is equal to ak. We want to show pc equals ak. And if you draw proportionate diagrams, in the diagram itself, you start seeing that there are triangles which are congruent. There are triangles which are congruent. So, which triangles are congruent in my figure now? Which triangles are congruent? AKB, to show that triangle AKB seems to be congruent with CPB. Congruent question mark CP, triangle CPB. I am demonstrating how the proof is not supposed to be written. Okay, but I am solving problem. Writing proof, you are good at it, and therefore I am not going to spend time on that. So we are supposed to prove, that is to show that triangle. Why? Because if PC and AK are supposed to be equal, then the triangles containing those two sides should be correspondingly congruent, and therefore I choose AKCPB. Correspondence is correct. Now, is angle A equal to angle C? Yes, it is cyclic, therefore they are equal. Then this is equilateral triangle, and therefore this is always going to be 60 degree, and this is always going to be 60 degree, 120 degree. This is 120. Why? Because again cyclic, and this is 60. Correct. Good. Now what else we want? We want one side. We have already got two angles and one side is always congruent there. It is an equilateral triangle. So by AAS or SAA, these two triangles are congruent, and therefore AK is equal to CP. Proved. Now you can construct equilateral triangle this side like this, and then KBK is equal to PA. You can show. You can construct equilateral triangle like this, construct exactly segment equal to PC this side, and complete the triangle. Then this is going to be equilateral this side. Still you will get it. Where else you can do? You can select a point here on K and construct equilateral triangle like this, and you show AK is equal to what? PB, something like that. Okay, so there are more than one ways of doing it by geometric construction. And why this problem is good? Because this P moves, except that it should not get aligned with B and C, then there will be complications. Actually, it is going to give us the result, but complications. Therefore, let us avoid P coinciding B and C. Everywhere else, it will give the same result. Therefore, PB plus PC is going to be any point Q, QB plus QC, any point Q anywhere. Okay, that is what is the proof of this. That
Yes, sir.
why this angle CPB is 120, have you understood? Because opposite angle is
Yes, sir.
60 and it is cyclic. But why is this angle also 120? Because this happens to be equilateral. Because included angle is 60, PB is equal to PK, therefore this base angle is also 60, and hence outside angle is 120. Okay, so
Okay. Thank you, sir.
120, this angle equals this angle. Good that you have asked, I missed it explaining. And therefore one side. Okay, good. Let us write a next problem. Next problem is celebrated. In a cyclic quadrilateral, I did not draw cyclic quadrilateral and I did not draw circle. I should draw quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, it should not look special quadrilateral. Still it should be cyclic. That is why my efforts are. Therefore, it is better to draw circle and draw quadrilateral. But then this circle, I should do it quickly. Uh, Okay, I will have to practice more. Anyway, therefore, there is a cyclic quadrilateral. Understand and listen to the problem statement very carefully. Nothing special about this cyclic quadrilateral except that it is cyclic. ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD. Where should I write here? Quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Prove that. Okay. Now let me give the names to these sides. Side AB has got length equal to small a. Side BC has got length equal to small b. Side CD has got length equal to small c. And side DA has got length equal to small d. Then prove that AC plus BD is equal to AC into BD. This is a celebrated theorem known as Ptolemy's theorem. Let me erase first. I don't want this. Okay. The name of this theorem is Ptolemy's theorem. P silent. And wording is deliberately done in this way so that you remember it. AC plus BD is equal to AC into BD. RHS is product of diagonals and LHS is product of opposite sides added together. Sum of products of opposite sides. Start. Okay. So hint for this problem is, first of all, you draw the diagonals. Okay. And if you observe that there are many equal angles because it is cyclic quadrilateral, but every time you try to do some similarity, you end up getting A upon C and we want AC. You end up getting B upon D and you want BD. Something like that is happening. And therefore, these guys are great because they come up with some out-of-box construction. It is as follows. Take any point K on this DB such that, why we should take that point? Because see, this angle X is equal to this angle X, right? And now if this angle Y is copied here, this angle Y, okay, and then maybe let this point be K and join CK, right? So in this case, this angle is X, this angle is Y, this angle is X, and this angle is Y. And hence we have some similarity other than what you had got is available there. Using that, now check whether you can prove this. I wait for 10 minutes, no problem.
Can you please wait?
हा काय झालं मेंदळे?
Sir, तुम्ही थांबाल का?
थांबू का अजून?
हो सर.
ओके. triangle ADC similar to triangle AKB by A. This implies AD upon AK is equal to DC upon KB is equal to AC upon AB. Okay, therefore AB is equal to small a, AC is AC, and DC is equal to small c. This ratio we want, and therefore by cross multiplying we get AC is equal to AC into KB. First part of the story. Now, because these two triangles are similar, there is one more pair of similar triangles. Now you understand this. This angle is common. Therefore, angle CAB equals angle KAD. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Both angle CAB equals angle DAK. And maybe CA is CA upon the DA. We have this ratio with us. These two ratios are equal. Implies these two ratios imply CA upon DA is equal to AB upon AK, which is AB upon AK. And therefore, triangle CAB is similar to triangle DAK by SAS. Are these two triangles similar by AA also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Have you done it by AA method in your calculation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Very good. But then I would like to do it by SAS in my calculations because there is an advantage of doing it by SAS. Anyway, therefore these are similar triangles, therefore their ratios are going to be equal. So CA upon DA is equal to AB upon AK is equal to CB upon DK. Now CA is CA, DA is small d, and we want small b, which is BC, which is equal to small b upon DK. हाँ बोला. So we have got AC and DB in the product form the way we want. Therefore, we can do it like this now. AC plus DB, we can add them and check what happens. It is equal to AC into KB plus AC into KD, which is AC inside bracket KB plus KD. But if we look at the diagram, KB plus KD collinear, therefore AC into BD. Theorem proved. This is one of the most important theorems in geometry, Ptolemy's theorem, where you get one condition that if the quadrilateral is cyclic, sum of the products of opposite sides is equal to product of diagonals. Okay. Now we will see applications of this theorem, but before that, I would like to give you a statement of the converse. Converse is also true. Therefore, statement of the converse is as follows. Converse. In ABCD, as shown, AC plus BD is equal to AC into BD, then quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Now as shown means we can use the similar diagram. Circle quick, not possible. Quick circle, done, very good. So I have got a line here, then a line here. Okay, so now I am drawing quadrilateral using circle, but I don't need circle. But then I don't know whether I will be able to erase it or not. So I should not use circle. A, B, C, D is looking like a kite. Again, it is a wrong diagram. It is not kite. You have to take as much efforts as you want on sketching, because many other times the proofs are available by looking at the sketches. Okay, right. My recording is on. So this is a quadrilateral in which it is given AB, CD, A, B, C, D. It is given that A into C plus B into D is equal to AC into BD. Converse. That's like this relationship is true. Prove converse. Now, no angle is available, and therefore this becomes little difficult compared to earlier one. And hence, what we will try and do is, let me see the earlier figure also. It is similar. Okay. So let us do the similar type of construction. There at least one angle X was available, right? Now that X angle is also not available, Y angle is also not available. So suppose this angle is Y. We copied a ray over here with angle Y. This was Y. Okay, and it intersected diagonal BD at this point K, but right now, even if we join that, we don't have another angle available. Therefore, what we do is we copy this X angle also. Suppose we copy X angle and it intersects over here. No, is this correct? No, sorry, not this side. We have to copy x where, because in this diagram the x angle is available at that point. So let us copy x angle. Now this x angle seems to be bigger than this angle, therefore let me copy it this side like this. Okay, so this angle from here to here, it is x. So practically we have copied two angles and therefore we got triangle, same triangle similar to the triangle ADC similar to AKB. Let me put this name as and join. Okay, we will see what to join. So is this understood now? Therefore, first statement of the converse is by construction and AA, triangle ADC is similar to triangle AKB. Understood? And therefore, if these two triangles are similar, these ratios are going to be equal. Therefore, we get AC is equal to capital AC into KB. Okay. Okay. And now, because of this by SAS, can you see that these two triangles also now are similar, CAB and DAK, because this is a common angle. CAB and DAK, these are also similar, so I must join DK. Okay, so I must join DK. Now you have to understand it properly why these two triangles are similar now. Which two triangles? CAB, DAK, because only SAS will give you now. Now they are similar because of only SAS, not by AA. And that is why in the first place I was keen on writing them by SAS. Okay, understood? And now therefore these ratios are also same. So this ratio is same, this ratio is same. Now let us do the calculations. Calculations are also going to be similar. AC plus DB is equal to AC into KB plus AC into KD. So up to this point it is same. We can club them. So up to this point it is same. Only final result, this is but given. We have to write this is equal to this, but it is given that small AC plus dB is equal to capital AC plus dB. That is given, not plus multiplied by capital AC into dB. And therefore this AC gets cancelled. What we end up getting here is, therefore what must be true? KB plus KD must be equal to dB. Oh, so this point K, which we have drawn away from this diagonal BD, cannot be away from the diagonal BD. It has to be there on the diagonal DB. This implies K must be on segment DB. Then only KB plus KD will be equal to DB. Okay. So the point K which we wanted to get now goes and sits on the diagonal DB. Therefore, measure angle ABK, which was X, now becomes measure angle ABD equal to X. Implies measure angle ABK is equal to measure angle ABD, which is equal to X, and therefore we have ACD X. Measure angle ACD is also X, hence by converse of interior angle or converse of inscribed angle property, by converse of inscribed SCRIB angle property, quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic. Check whether you have understood this entire thing or not, and that is why it was required to be written by SAS. Therefore, this proof up to this point is same. Beyond that, we write our own proof for converse because we wanted to take this point away from DB, but this result makes it on DB.
Sir, could you give 5 minutes?
Sir, what was the second triangle we proved similar?
Same, CAB similar to DAK. Okay, I will wait for a few minutes. You copy it down. You understand whether you have understood. We check whether you have understood this proof or not, and then I give you some problem on this. Application of Ptolemy's theorem. The first problem which we have solved: equilateral triangle in a circle and point P is on any minor arc BC. So we were supposed to prove PB plus PC is equal to PA. ABPC is cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, by using Ptolemy's theorem, one-liner proof of the earlier problem. And earlier problem was difficult because we were required to do the construction, additional construction. But then if you have a strong theorem with you, the problem becomes absolutely easy. AB is equal to AC is equal to BC because the triangle is equilateral. They get cancelled. You get PB plus PC is equal to PA. Okay. This is application number 1. Application number 2. Small a, small b, small c. Prove Pythagoras using Ptolemy. This I give it to you. Okay, Pythagoras theorem using Ptolemy. Put two right angle triangle together to create a rectangle. Rectangle is a cyclic quadrilateral. Applying Ptolemy's theorem to rectangle, we get Pythagoras theorem. That is proof for Pythagoras theorem. Now, next application, application number 3. In any general triangle ABC, circumcenter is O. Put up perpendiculars from circumcenter on AB, BC, CA, BC, CA, AB are D, E, F correspondingly. Then OD plus OE plus OF is equal to R plus R, where capital R is circumradius and small r is in radius. Okay. Triangle ABC is acute angle triangle. Then OD plus OE plus OF is circumradius plus in radius. If triangle ABC is the acute angle triangle, prove that. OD plus OE plus OF is capital R plus small r.